Hey everyone, James here from Results & Co. We're going to talk about crafting the perfect email series. You know, one of the most important things about an email series is that you want to speak directly to your customer. And I know that you're busy. I know that thinking that email isn't that important. However, here's what we know after doing this for, for 15 years of sending out emails, is that people read emails. And the more on point your emails are, the more that they will be read, the more they will be opened, and the more people will contact you to take up your product and service. Email marketing is not dead. If someone told you email marketing is dead, they are wrong. Email marketing is alive. Some of our clients are getting 30, 40, and 50% open rates. Very normal for it to be over 20% because they're on point and they're regular. So we're going to talk about email marketing, how it works for you, and how how you encompass the StoryBrand framework into your emails. Here's a couple of pointers first before we start talking about these. I want you to think about this. Make sure that you put a lot of time into your headline, okay? Your headline is everything. So what is going to be the headline that you're going to send out to your customer? What's going to be in the subject line, okay? The subject line that goes there. Next, keep them short. The reason I want you to think about this is think about the time span that people have when it comes to life these days. What are the trends that people are following? Well, it's Instagram Reels. They go for 30 seconds to a minute. TikTok, YouTube Shorts. These things people are really gravitating towards because they're short and it fits into their life. So your emails, guess what? They need to be short and fit into their life. And the shorter they are, the more to the point they are, the more they'll be read. However, if you're used to doing these big, long dissertations, then they might open the first one, but the next one they're going to be like, I don't have time to read those things, because you're wasting their time. Do not waste their time. So I want you to think about this. Put more time into your headline, okay? Headline, that's not how you spell headline. Put more time into your heading. As anything, keep your emails short. They should be, say, 3 to 4 paragraphs. Okay, and with say 1 to 2 sentences per paragraph. Outside of that, it's probably too long. In your heading, okay, I want you to use an emoticon. Emoticons will get opened. That people see the emoticon more, and they'll open up your emails a lot more, especially read. We've got an ebook on this that we wrote. If you want it, let me know. Okay, so let's have a look at this. So then what we want to do is we want to use the StoryBrand framework in crafting your email. So when I'm crafting an email, in the heading, I want to put an emotion and I want to make a promise. Make a promise. That's what I want to do. Then the preview text, for those of you that have an email program that does the preview text, it's a short snippet that people can read before they open the email. Not all programs have it, but the one I use does. I love it. And so you want to pretty much ask a question in that area. So ask a question. Now, when a person starts off, you're starting off in the email, you want to talk about their problem. Now, as you talk about the problem can be, you can go straight to it. Do you suffer from? Have you had enough of? Or 3 ways to stop. Those kind of straight to the point where we're able to talk about their problem. Then we want to make it worse. As I've set up here, we want to make it worse. Then once we go here, we don't want to actually go straight to the problem. We want to empathize with them. Always remember this, and I love how Donald Miller says this, and it's empathy before authority, always. Empathy before authority, always. Next, what we want to do is we want to go to authority. Who are you? Why? What do you have that is going to give you the authority to speak about the problem? Which I already told you. We've been doing this for 15 years. We write emails for clients every day of the week, and we see between 20 to 50% open rates on our emails. Solution, then we're going to talk about the problem or the solution. So like here, this is a client that has a gut health product, and these are the issues that people have with their gut health. And so what we do, what I would do here is we would talk about the problem. Now, I may not talk about all of these sort of things, but I might talk about bloating. I might talk about embarrassing moments, okay, especially here, the embarrassing moment that might happen there. But I would be very aware with how I put it. Then we want to do a call to action. Now, here's the thing. Not every email has to have a call to action on it. Now, some people will tell you it does. I think sometimes they don't. I think sometimes people just like something free, and we do a lot of that with our own emails from Results & Co. We just give a lot of things away. One of our emails, we give away an ebook. They don't have to click, they don't have to leave their details again for anything. They just click the link and download an ebook that's on website design. It's a beautiful email. We give away so much value. And then we want to give away what happens a failure. So this isn't a giveaway. So we want to talk about the failure. What life will happen if they don't take action. However, the main areas that you want to talk about is dream, problem, solution. So if you only want three things to do, 1, 2, and then 3. However, if you can put the rest into your email, you're going to see a much better response from your email. And in your first sentence, you could make one sentence that incorporates all 3. Let me show you how to do that. Actually, I'm going to do another video on that. Keep an eye out on that video, just because I want to keep this one short. Keep an eye out on another email that I'll be sending out. How to encompass or incorporate 3, if not 4 elements of the StoryBrand framework into 2 sentences. This is going to blow your mind. Keep an eye out for that email to come up next. Bye.